Kota is gonna make Japanese curry.
Yay!
Japanese kare. Yay! First step, you gotta wash your hands. Well, you have to wash your hands every time you're gonna cut. Need 3 onions sliced and half of a carrot cut into cubes, 1 potato cut into cubes, 1 pound of ground beef, and a curry sauce mix. Yay!
Yay!
Now you have to heat up the pot, and then Kota, can you put the oil inside the pot? So squeeze in there. Make it go all over the pot. Okay? Good, Kota. Now can you dump the oil? Can you dump the onions? All over. Now Kota, we just gotta get this one. And now we gotta mix it. So now the onion is in the pot. You gotta mix it up, and also you gotta wait until it's now nice and brown.
Nice and brown onion.
Yes, and that makes the curry taste good.
And what curry was done tastes good, right, Papa?
Yes, it's like red, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna cook the ground beef. Kota, can I have the ground beef?
Yep.
Thank you. Now you gotta dump it into the pan. Then you gotta mash it. Cook the ground beef, drain the fat before you even put the ground beef into the onion. And once you put the ground beef into the onion, it's gonna taste really good and it's gonna smell really good.
Yeah!
Add the ground beef into the onion. Ready? We're gonna add the carrots. Kota, can you put it inside?
And next is tomato.
It's not tomatoes, it's potatoes. You're so close. Now we gotta just mix it up all over the.
Brown, 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 brown.
After you cook a little bit, you gotta add a 3.5 cup of water. Let's do it together, Kota. Last, put the potato into the water. Kota, can you put it inside? Whoa. Now let's put it back inside. All the ones that we dropped. And now, I gotta put the cap. Oh, one more. Like this. And let it boil a little bit. And it's gonna be hot.
Yeah.
Yep.
Be careful.
After it's all boiled, put it in low heat. Around there. And then wait for another 30 minutes. Oh yeah. Yay! I'm so excited to eat curry.
Curry, curry, curry.
Waiting for 30 minutes for this curry to finish cooking.
And I got my seal.
Uh-oh. Now we're gonna open this package, and then then you have to break it into cubes like this. Great job. Now we gotta put the little curry cubes. I'm gonna lift up the lids, put it in. Whoa! One by one, okay? One by one. Ah!
Curry, 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 curry.
So now keep mixing it until the curry cubes melt all the way.
I have a sword.
Yeah, and also make sure while you're doing these steps right now, make sure it stays in low heat.
Yes.
Now we're gonna let it cook for 20 minutes. First, I'm gonna do this. Oh no, don't put the box on there, Kota. That's silly. We're gonna wait 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes. Why do we have to wait 20 minutes?
Because it's cooking for a long time.
Yeah, I can't wait to eat it, right?
Yeah, me too. But when it's not, so
Yeah, it's like red. Now the curry is done. Yay! You wanna see, Kota?
yes.
I can't wait to eat now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ding. So it's good. Curry, 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 curry.
Now it's time to eat it.
Yep.
Are you ready? Okay. Ooh, I should taste it too.
Be careful. Do this.
Mm.
When you do this, it's better.
Yeah. I feel like I can just drink it from there.
You can't drink it.
Yeah, but it's still stew. So it is soup. So we can drink it. Yeah. And are you happy that it came out good? And then I say, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Curry came out so good.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.